Today I will show you how to sand a bug ember with sandpaper. You can see that the bug is close to the skin. So let's start polishing it from the other side. Sand the other side flat. What about after polishing you can see the bug from the other side? Then let's use number 240 or 320 sandpaper first. Polish it flat first. After sanding, let's change to number 600 or 800 sandpaper. Then we use 1500 or 2000 of sandpaper. Finally, we will change to number 5000. Polish the scratch from the last time and smooth them out. Finally, it's done.